Welcome back to the show. Today, we're diving into something incredibly relatable, our first day at school. It's a rite of passage, right? I mean, think about it. I still remember mine vividly, like it was just yesterday. I was 6 years old, and it was a cool September morning that set the perfect stage.
Oh, wow. I love that energy. So, how did you feel waking up that day? Wasn't it one of those mornings where everything feels special? Like maybe how you feel on your birthday?
Absolutely. I was buzzing with excitement. My mom smiled at me, setting the tone by saying it was my big day. Picture this. I rushed through breakfast, imagining all the incredible experiences awaiting me.
That's so motivating. Did you get to wear a new outfit? Because I've seen kids picking out their first day outfits like they're prepping for the Oscars or something.
Yes, I was dressed to impress in my brand new school uniform, shiny shoes and all. My backpack was packed with every essential a kid could need for an adventure. Crayons, snacks, you name it.
Oh man, shiny shoes. Did you do the classic, check out my shoes, strut in front of the other kids? Like you're on a runway or something?
Ha. Exactly. The moment we arrived at school, I was met by a bustling crowd. Some kids were already giggling and making friends. The energy was just electric. The school was huge and beautiful, with vibrant gardens and birds singing.
Singing birds? Wow, that sounds like a scene from a fairy tale. What happened when you stepped into the school?
Well, my teacher welcomed us with such warmth. It felt like a big hug. She introduced herself in a classroom full of colorful drawings. I mean, it was the type of environment that just inspired creativity. I ended up sitting next to this boy named Adam.
Oh, Adam. Was he, cool right away? Or did it take some time to warm up?
We clicked almost instantly. I was super shy but somehow squeaked out my name while trembling in my tiny shoes. Our first lesson was the alphabet, and let me tell you, we had a blast singing that alphabet song.
You sang it? With full enthusiasm? I can totally picture you all like a mini choir. Did anything hilarious happen during that first lesson?
Oh, for sure. We practiced writing letters, and some of us had funny little mistakes that had everyone cracking up. Laughter is a great icebreaker, right?
Totally! I can just see it now. Kids giggling over mixing up letters, like writing B instead of D. That's too adorable. So what happened during break time?
Break time was a festival of fun. We dashed outside to play, sharing stories about our favorite cartoons and toys. Then our teacher read us a story, and we got to color pictures. It was pure joy.
Ah, that sounds amazing. So, did you and Adam, bond over any specific cartoons during your break? I'm guessing you both were super into some classic show.
Yes! We discovered we both loved this cartoon about a talking dog going on adventures. It was such a classic. At lunchtime, I shared my packed meal with him. I mean, sharing is caring, right?
It absolutely is. That's so awesome, sharing food right off the bat. Did you have a peanut butter and jelly sandwich? That's like the quintessential school lunch.
Haha, you bet. Peanut butter and jelly, along with some apple slices, nothing beats that classic combo. The afternoon was a whirlwind of songs and exciting activities, and when that school bell rang, I felt this rush of joy.
Oh man, what a day. I can't imagine the excitement when you got home. Did your family freak out over your stories?
They definitely were eager to hear all about it. I spilled the beans on every little detail, and I was overwhelmed by the feeling that new beginnings can be a little scary but open doors to amazing friendships and experiences.
Such a beautiful perspective. It's incredible how one day can set the stage for a lifetime of connections, isn't it? So, what's next? Where do we go from here?
And that's the beauty of it. Our first day can serve as a stepping stone, and for everyone listening, remember to embrace those new beginnings just like I did.
Love that. All right, folks, thank you so much for tuning in. If any of this resonated with you or you'd like to hear the details again, be sure to listen tomorrow.